Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are diving into some less common but incredibly useful English words that you can use daily at home. Let's enrich your vocabulary together. Ottoman. Ottoman is a seat without a back or arm. Pantry. A pantry is a small room or closet where food and kitchen supplies are stored. Duvet. Soft quilt filled with down, used as a blanket. Vanity. Vanity is a piece of furniture with mirror and drawers used to grooming and storing makeup. Decanter. Decanter is a glass container used to hold and serve wine or other drinks. Armoire. Armoire is a large, often ornate cupboard or a wardrobe. Backsplash. Backsplash is a protective surface on a wall behind a sink or stove to protect from splashes. Sconce. A sconce is a wall-mounted light fixture. Throw pillow. Throw pillow is a small decorative cushion used on sofas or beds. Chandelier. A chandelier is a decorative hanging light fixture with branches of several lights, bulbs, or candles. Etagera. An etagera is a piece of furniture with open shelves used for displaying ornaments. Credenza. Credenza is a sideboard or cupboard, often used in dining rooms. Cloche. Cloche is a bell-shaped cupboard used to protect food or plants. Set. Set is a small sofa with the back and arms, typically for two people. If you like this video, comment below for the next part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video.